Good morning, children. Now, 5th class mathematics. Which chapter? 11th chapter. Many more liters. In previous class too, we already saying only this. Page number 102. At the milk processing and packaging unit. That will be completed in previous class too. Now, sending milk to various homes. Sending milk to various homes. See here in page number 100. Take out children textbook. Page number 100. See. Notebook also take out. The cooperative society employs various milk boys to sell its milk. Each milk boy gets a daily commission of 65 rupees for his work. How much commission? 65 rupees daily for his work to commission. Kishan has sold 12 packets of 500 ml and 24 packets of 250 ml, 22 packets of 1 liter in a day. How much milk he sold in the day? So, Kishan sold how many packets? See here, Kishan has sold 12 packets of 500 ml, 24 packets of 250 ml, 22 packets of 1 liters. So, how much milk has he sold in the day? And next, Balaji supplies 8 liters of milk in 500 ml packets and 6 liters of milk in 250 ml packets. In this second problem, they are only given the first problem. We'll do first. They are not giving numbers, not given. So you only write. Kishan has sold. Kishan has sold 12. Kishan has sold number of packets. Okay. Kishan has sold 12 packets of 500 ml. 500 ml. So 500 ml packets 12 means how many liters having here? So 500 ml means 12 into 500 ml means 1 by 2 liter only. 1 by 2 liter. See here 12 into 1 by 2 liter. See here 2 1 are 2 6 are. 6 liters. 6 liters. So Kishan has sold 12 packets of 500 ml means 500 ml packets. 12 means that how much quantity? 6 liters capacity. The first one. Now second one. 24 packets of he has sold 24 packets of 250 ml. 250 ml. 250 ml means in before only saying children I am 1 by 2 means 1 by 2 liters equals to 500 ml. 1 by 4 liters equals to 250 ml. That before only in first chapter starting to only I am giving that. So here 250 ml means 1 by 4 liters. See here 24 into 1 by 4 liters. 4 ones are 4 6 are. Here also 6 liters. Next one, third one. Packets of 1 liter packet. 22 packets of 1 liter packet. He has sold 22 packets of 1 liter packet. So 1 liter means how many packets? How many liters? 22 liters only. Why? 22 into 1. 22 liters. So total how many liters? So is sold total milk he has sold. Sorry, not clear. Okay. Fourth one upside only writing here. This also is writing. 22 into 1. Okay. Next fourth one here only writing here. Fourth one. Total milk. In that first problem, do only this. Total milk he has sold. So how many liters? 6 liters less 6 liters less 22 liters. How many? 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 22. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 20, 34. 34 liters. Right, children? Now 34 liters of milk. Therefore 34 liters of milk he has sold in the day. So this is the first one, children. Right, all of you? Next one, they are giving Balaji. Balaji supplies 8 liters of milk in 500 ml packets and 6 liters of milk 250 ml packets. So 5 liters of milk. See here, how many 500 milliliters packet did he sell? See here. The second one. Balaji supplies 8 liters of milk, 500 ml packet. Milk in 500 ml packets. Next, 6 liters of milk in 250 ml packets. 250 ml packets. See here. Balaji 8 liters of milk, 500 ml packets, 6 liters of milk, 250 ml packets he supplies. So for a question in this two, how many 500 ml packets did he sell? So 500 ml means, so 1 liter means how many packets we want? 500 ml packets. 1 liter. So how many packets we want for 500 ml? 2 packets of 500 ml. So of liters packets 2 we want only. 1 liter means. So here how many liters having 500 ml packets to? 8 liters. So 8 liters equals to 8 into 2. 2 500 packets of 500 ml. So how much? 8 to the 16. 8 liters equals to 16 packets of 500 ml. How many packets you want? 500 ml packets, 16. Right, children? Are you completed? Next B question. How many 250 ml packets did he sell? So this sale is right only. Same B1 also. 1 liter equals to how many packets want? 250 ml. So 4 packets we want. 250 ml. So 1 by 4 liters. So 4 packets we want. 6 liters equals to 6 into 4 packets of 250 ml. 250 ml. See here 24 packets of 250 ml. Therefore 24 packets of 250 ml he said. Right, all of you? Right, children? Next one. Right, fast, children. Okay, next one. Try this. A milkman sold milk in packets of 250 ml and 500 ml. He sold 6 liters of milk in 17 packets. How many packets of each type did he sell? So you try that problem, children. Next to painting home. Painting home here giving. Amar wants to paint his home. He went to the paint shop and bought white, yellow, red and green color paints. The details of the quantity of each paint he bought are given below. See here, colors. Which type he bought? Which colors he bought? Yellow, green, red, white. Yellow, page number 101. See, children, here colors given. Yellow, green, red, white. So capacity per can. Can capacity 50 ml, 100 ml, 200 ml, 10 liters. Yellow color 50 ml cans. How many cans he brought? Three cans. Cost for 1 liter 400 rupees. Next green color 100 ml bottle, ml cans. 2 cans he brought. So 1 liter for 500 rupees. So like that only here having. First A question, see children. How many liters of paint did Amar buy in all? So are you completed is this? Next one. Next one children. Painting home. Painting home. A1. How many liters of paint did Amar buy in all? So, Amar bought of paints. See here, yellow 50 ml, so here mention children liters and milliliters separated you write first of all. So don't confuse children. First of all write here liters and here milliliters. So yellow, how many milliliters? 50 milliliters. 50 milliliters. 50. Milliliters. Next one, green color. Green, not liters having here, 100 milliliters. Green color, 100 milliliters. Write clearly children, here not the liters, here only milliliters having. That's why I am writing the milliliters. Okay, are you observed clearly? Next red color. Red, 200 ml. 200 ml. Next white color. White, how many? Liters only, 10 liters, not milliliters. So total 49 in all. So here we will do addition. See children here. First of all, ones place number will take 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. 0. Here only 5 is there. 5. Here 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 0, 3. Here 0. Here 10. So therefore 10 liters, 350 milliliters of paint he bought in all. So write children, write all of you. Okay children, complete it all of you. In next one, see how much would 100 ml can of green paint cost? How much money did Amar spend on green paint. So what part of 1 liter equals to 100 ml? So 100 ml means 1 by 10. Okay. So in next class to explaining again children. Okay, complete it children this one.